Hey friends, welcome back to Jenny Food and My Kitchen. Salad month is in full swing, and the last couple weeks I have tried new salad recipes and kind of giving you my thoughts. Well, today we're going with something that's tried and true. I'm talking about a marinated cucumber salad that I'm going to show you how to make kind of upscale and serve either for a nice dinner party or just a refreshing dinner on the deck kind of deal. So let's make this. Friends, this is like a 2-day process. So first I'm going to show you how I cut and marinate these cucumbers overnight, and then tomorrow we are going to come back and I'm going to show you how I finish this beautiful salad and how I serve it. So starting off, we're going to use some olive oil and some avocado oil. This recipe calls for like a good olive oil and then something that's kind of light and tasteless. So I'm going to go half and half olive and avocado oil. Of course, we've got 2 English cucumbers, some red onion, some sugar, salt, white wine vinegar, and some black pepper. And that's how simple this is. And there's a few more ingredients I'll show you tomorrow when we finish this salad. So let's get going. I've got all the plastic off of my cucumbers. Now, you can either use a mandolin for this or you can use a knife, but the goal is to slice these cucumbers as thin as you can get them. And I'll show you why tomorrow. So I'm just going to take my knife. Now, I like to cut my cucumbers in half because I can do 2 at a time and just kind of use my knife. Oops, get that right on the edge there, close as I can, and just really cut these cucumbers as close and as thin as I possibly can. Now, I could get those thinner on a mandolin, but I have loaned out my mandolin currently, so these are pretty thin. So I'm going to keep going and I'll show you what's next. All right, so I've got all of my super thin cucumbers in my bowl. Now, we're gonna go in with some red onion, and I only need about 1/4 cup of a very fine dice of red onion. All right, so I just need like 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of onion. So I'm gonna cut about, that is a strong onion. So here we are next day, and I'm just going to talk you through how I finished what I did while I was filming, but not filming. So I went ahead and I chopped that 1/4 cup of onion very, very fine and added that to my cucumbers. And then I went ahead, like I said, and I added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. You could probably substitute red, but I think the white wine gives it a very specific kind of different flavor. So I went ahead with the white wine today. And then 2½ teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 6 little pinches of pepper. However, if you have a grinder, that kind of equals the same thing. So here is our salad today. And as you can see, that is a wonderful looking salad. You can see the pepper, you can see the onions, and you can see how those cucumbers have wilted down, which is exactly what we wanted those to do. So now, you can either serve this salad exactly like this. I mean, because this is tasty. Kind of just a refreshing marinated cucumber salad. Or you can do what I'm about to show you, and you can kind of kick this little cucumber salad up a notch. So let's do that. What I have here is a little bit of fresh mint, some microgreens, and just some spring mix. So now I'm going to start off by just getting a little bit. I don't need all this mint. We just need about possibly 1/4 cup of mint. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick off some of those leaves. And that mint kind of acting with that sugar and that vinegar is just going to like give this unbelievably good brightness to those cucumbers. And it's gonna actually be the element that makes it even more refreshing. So I love a good cucumber mint. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I think that's about good. So now I'm just going to, whenever I cut mint, these are kind of small comparatively. Usually my leaves are a little bigger, but I just kind of like to ball it up as fine as I can get it. And then I'll go in with my knife and just chop it. And then we'll go back and drag our knife through it again. Just kind of like this, just holding on to the top edge and just kind of lifting and chopping. All right. Now, I would add, if you're going to serve this like at a little party or a little get together, I would add the mint at least a couple hours before you're going to serve it, just to give it that time to kind of like melt and get all those flavors into the cucumber. So now I'm just mixing that mint right in and getting that all combined. And now we're ready to assemble. So I'm going to take some of these greens and I'm just going to kind of break them up a little bit just to make them a little bit smaller. You know, I like things the same size, so I don't want overly big pieces of lettuce. Oh, and these are baby. These are very soft little greens. And we'll just kind of decorate the bottom of a pretty salad plate. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to take our cucumbers and see kind of what happened overnight. See how they're nice and soft. Ooh, and they are good. And I can smell that mint. So we're just going to take a few pieces at a time. We're going to kind of place those over top of the greens. All right, just like that. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? All right, but we're not done. So now I have those microgreens, which I love. I mean, if I'm being honest, I love to finish kind of a fancy salad with microgreens. And so now what we're going to do, it doesn't take a lot. We're just going to kind of sprinkle those right on top of our cucumbers. And doesn't that look fancy? All right, just a few more. Okay. Look at our gorgeous little dinner salad. Now, if you had like some pretty nasturtiums, I don't have any today, but if you had like a yellow or a red or like a deep red nasturtium, you could kind of stick it on the side. That would be beautiful. But the last thing we're going to do is remember that these cucumbers and that marinade kind of gave off a lot of juice. So I'm going to go back in, kind of tip my bowl just a little bit. And we're just going to kind of give this salad a little bit of that juice, just so that that lettuce kind of gets some of that. And now look at that salad. Does that not look fabulous? Friends, it's my favorite part, the tasting part. And I know this is going to be good, but I will let you in. So I'm just going to kind of get some lettuce, get some microgreens, get some cucumbers, and take a bite for you. Oh my gosh. Not only is that just beautiful, but it's bright. And even though it looks fancy, it kind of tastes simple, if you will. I mean, there's not a lot of different flavors going on. That mint has just lifted that, brightened it, and the lettuce, I mean, it's just so good. It's very, very good. So friends, there you have it. If you're having like a little dinner party or something this summer with some tasty shrimp or some fancy chicken, this kind of upscale cucumber salad would tick all the boxes to go alongside that. This is a good one. Salad month has been my favorite. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I love your comments. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm always looking for more subscribers. And friends, have a beautiful rest of your weekend. I will see you next week. Bye for now.